In today's quick and short tutorial, I'll show you how to fix WhatsApp keeps crashing on your Android phone. So if WhatsApp keeps crashing, freezing or becoming non-responsive, I'll show you how to sort the issue in the next 2 minutes. Start by going into your phone settings and load up your app list. When your apps list is loaded, scroll all the way to the bottom and click on WhatsApp. When your WhatsApp settings load, click on Force Stop, making sure you confirm it. Now click on Storage Usage. When your WhatsApp storage usage opens, click on Clear Cache. Now click on Manage Space and clear your data. Now head back into your phone settings. Inside Settings, scroll down until you see the section called Software Update. Open Software Update, and if you have any updates available, click on Update before moving on to the next step. The next step is to head back to your home screen and open up the Play Store app. Once inside the Play Store, click on your profile icon in the top right to open up your account and setting options. Click on Manage Apps and Devices, then open the available updates. If there is an update available for WhatsApp, update it before moving on to the next step. The last step is to power cycle your device. To do this, hold your power button and volume down button together. Your power options will appear, but just keep holding until your screen goes black. Do not let go until your phone's brand name comes onto the screen.